Hi, I'm Nikki Mamurk, and today I'm covering climate adaptation and implications for the food industry as my megatrend for the Future Vision course at Harvard University. Earth's climate has changed throughout history, but in the last 40 years, warming has significantly accelerated, with the last 7 years being the warmest. Many studies indicate human activities are the primary driver. Fossil fuels account for over 75% of global greenhouse gas emissions and about 90% of carbon dioxide emissions. Other key drivers are manufacturing, deforestation, transportation, food production, and energy demand. And as Earth's temperatures continue to rise, there are greater and more intense weather conditions. There is more evaporation and moisture in the atmosphere, which intensifies rainfall, leading to unprecedented flooding and impacting farmland. In fact, every 1 degree increase in temperature can lead to 4% more water vapor in the air. This increased water evaporation has also led to more frequent and intense droughts, which can decrease water availability and decrease food production. The total intensity of extreme droughts has increased from 2002 to 2021, mirroring Earth's rising temperatures. Extreme wildfires have also more than doubled, often destroying crops and causing smoke contamination. Fire season is also getting longer, with parts of the US, Mexico, Brazil, and Africa now having fire seasons that last a month longer than they did 35 years ago. The increased temperatures are melting ice sheets, altering water availability in growing seasons, and mountain glaciers are diminishing around the world. Oceans are absorbing the increased heat and are warming, impacting food production in coastal communities. And warmer temperatures are leading to stronger storms during hurricane season, often washing away crops. Now, these severe weather conditions are predicted to continue as temperatures remain at record levels. The World Meteorologist Organization predicts an 80% chance that at least 1 year between 2025 and 2029 will be warmer than the warmest year on record, which is 2024. Nearly half of the global population is currently affected by climate change, and countries in warmer climates that rely on agriculture are disproportionately affected as they are more vulnerable to extreme weather with a higher likelihood of crop failure. Now, agriculture is arguably the industry most impacted by climate change. In fact, agriculture is at a crossroads, with extreme weather intensifying and with global populations growing to an anticipated 10 million people by 2050. Thus, many organizations are starting to take action in the form of climate adaptation, often driven by technological advancements and offering powerful signals of change. Here are a few examples. In 2025, drought-tolerant durum wheat showed success in Morocco, yielding significantly more than other fields. A company called Prospera Technologies is now tracking crop health with drone imagery and AI. And a company called CropX Technologies is now optimizing soil health and irrigating through machine analytics. Other methods beginning to be explored include AI-led crop rotations, smart irrigation technologies, and AI regenerative agriculture, which is reversing damage from industrial farming. Now, beyond what's happening today, many future possibilities exist. To protect specific areas, we might see AI domes created to regulate weather conditions. If farmland becomes limited, we may see external building walls used as an extension of vertical farming. We may also see agriculture merge with other sustainability efforts like water-soluble materials. Now, these future efforts won't be without challenges. There could be continued consumer resistance to bioengineered and genetically modified products. There may be fear that large technology companies will control the global food supply, or that there isn't market fairness, or that companies are playing God by controlling crop outcomes. And it's possible that ag tech advancements may not be applied to those regions that truly need them the most. To adapt to these changes, organizations will need to invest in AI technology and smart solutions to improve efficiencies and effectiveness. They may need to reimagine what the workforce could look like, training human workers on AI management, and they should consider any potential ethical implications. New policies will also be needed to govern ag tech, regulating AI technology, outlining accountability, monitoring cross-border data, and driving data transparency. The most important step, though, for climate adaptation is taking immediate action. By beginning now, we can build resilience and be better equipped to respond to our environment as it continues to evolve.